Hello, friends. Today, we're diving into the latest tech sensation, the OnePlus 13. With its sleek design, powerful hardware, and game-changing features, this device is here to redefine what we expect from a smartphone. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Your support means the world to us. Thank you. Currently available only in China, the OnePlus 13 has already captured everyone's attention. This phone is more than just a device. It's a masterpiece for tech enthusiasts. Let's explore all the details together. Design and color options. The OnePlus 13 comes in three stunning colors: White Dawn, Blue Moment, and Obsidian Secret. The blue model features a leather-like texture, while the black model has a wood-like finish. Aesthetically, it's truly impressive. Plus, with IP68 and IP69 ratings, it's one of the most durable and water-resistant phones on the market. Its dimensions and weight are equally noteworthy: 162.9 by 76.5 by 8.9 millimeters and just 210 grams. The rear camera module has a sleeker design compared to previous models, accented with a sophisticated silver stripe. On the front, the curved edges and punch-hole selfie camera enhance its modern look. Display features. The display is one of the standout aspects of the OnePlus 13. It boasts a 6.82-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1440 by 3168. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it delivers unparalleled smoothness. Additionally, the screen can dynamically adjust its refresh rate in different sections. For instance, static text might run at 10 Hz, while a video plays at 120 Hz. This innovative feature optimizes battery life while providing an exceptional viewing experience. Camera performance. For photography and video enthusiasts, the OnePlus 13 packs an impressive camera setup: a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. The main camera shines in low-light conditions, ensuring stunning results. Additionally, it supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision. This phone brings professional-level quality to your fingertips. Hardware and battery. At its core, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering top-notch performance. It offers RAM options of 12 GB, 16 GB, and even 24 GB, paired with storage capacities of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The battery is equally impressive, featuring a massive 6,000 mAh capacity for extended usage. With support for 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, you can power up quickly and get back to what matters most. Global launch and pricing. The OnePlus 13 was unveiled in China on October 31st, with a starting price of approximately $630. The global launch is expected in early 2025, with prices likely around $799.99, £849 depending on the configuration. The OnePlus 13 is truly a remarkable device, combining design, features, and performance like no other. What do you think about it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next one.